The next thing I'm going to show you is basically the mix window and how it works. What I can do is go to the mix window by going to display, or no, windows, and show mix. After I show the mix, you can see each of your recording arms right here. You have panning options within each channel strip. You have your input, you have your output, and this is your automation. This is basically telling you how your automation is going to read. Is it going to be off? Is it going to read? Is it going to touch, latch, or write, or trim? You also have your fader, and you also have a fader that you can bring up by touching the volume. You also can turn off the track and name the track within this window. If you touch this little thing right here, it's going to bring an auxiliary fader, a fader that you could take outside of your mix window and you can affect that and change the volume of the track, as well as busting certain tracks.